welcome to my class. Today I am going to teach about how to learn and how to speak English so that you could enhance your speaking English as well as your writing English, your grammatical English as well. So first of all, suppose you are learning little bit like alphabet, word and sentence making. So please, and then after start from today. Like suppose first of all we have to do like little bit daily routine. So daily routine we cannot say little big sentences. Yes, na? So we can say little sentence like I wake up, I get up. So you can say I wake up early in the morning, then after I get up, then after I brush, then after I take bath, then after I take lunch, breakfast, and then after I go to temple, then after I worship, then after I read and write, and then after I go to school, then after I come back my home, then after I read and write, little bit study, and then after I cook food, and then after I take lunch, and then after I play football and whatever played we want to play, so that time, and then after I watch movie, and then after I fresh up, and then after I get ready for evening walk, and then after I go to walk, and then after I cook food dinner, and then after I take dinner, and then after I sleep. ओके तो इस प्रकार से आपने डेली रूटीन को वेरी फास्ट बोला एंड देन आफ्टर यू विल हैव टू लाइक यस्टरडे व्हाट डिड आई डू, यस्टरडे व्हाट डिड आई डू मतलब कल क्या किया. तो बहुत ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं उस बारे में. डोंट थिंक अबाउट एंड डोंट से एनी मोर थिंग्स. say whatever things I did yesterday, like morning to till night, what did you do? So I woke up early in the morning, then after I got up, then after I brushed, then after I took bath, then after I cooked breakfast, then after I worshipped, and then after I went to temple, then after I went to school, and then after I went to playground, and then after I read, wrote and studied as well, and then after I came back my house, and then after I took lunch, and after taking lunch I watched a little bit movie and little bit my WhatsApp or I checked my WhatsApp group message as well, and then after I started my evening work, and after starting my evening work I cooked food and I served my family, and then after I cleaned my kitchen and stuff as well, and then after I slept. Okay, like this. सो डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि इसके बाद वॉट एवर थिंग्स इसके बाद आनी चाहिए थी, इसके बाद आने चाहिए. डोंट शुड अबाउट एंड देन आफ्टर थिंक अबाउट कि वॉट एवर वर्क आई हैव टू डू इन फ्यूचर टाइम, लाइक right now I am here and after I will do whatever things I will do. So think about कि what do I do. So think about कि I will wake up tomorrow morning, I will get up tomorrow morning, I will brush and I will take bath, and I will play football, and I will go to temple, and I will worship, and I will take breakfast, and then after I will go to school, and then after I. So like this, morning to till night, whatever you do every time, so think about and say more and more. Okay, so whenever you speak over and over, so your tongue will be फ्लुएंट और ट्विस्टेड. ओके, ट्विस्टेड इट मीन्स कि जब ट्विस्टेड हो चुकी होती है तो फिर आपको उसके लिए ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करना पड़ता है. तो सेम थिंग्स एज आई टोल्ड यू, डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि कहाँ से मैटर लाऊं, वेयर आई put this such types of matter. So think about should, whatever things you should do. So right now I should wake up early in the morning, I should get up early in the morning, then after I should play, then after I should worship, and then after take breakfast, and then after I should take bath, and then after I should go to temple, then after I should worship, and then after. So lot of work we should do every morning or till night. So we should play football, we should water the plant, we should obey our parents, we should respect our elders, we should love our youngers. तो इस प्रकार से. And then after should not, what should you not do? Every time please use only contraction. Whenever we talk about spoken English, so you will have to apply only contraction form, like do not contraction don't, did not contraction didn't, will not contraction want, should not contraction should. Suppose you didn't come, तुम नहीं आए, आपको बिल्कुल ऐसे ही बोलना है, तो उससे आपकी इंग्लिश भी फ्लुएंस होती है और एज वेल एज आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी थोड़ा सा बिल्डअप होता है, लेवल में आता है. सो नाउ शुड के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना. व्हाट शुडंट, आई शुडंट डू सच वर्क, आई शुडंट कट द ट्री, आई शुडंट हर्ट अदर्स, आई शुडंट play unnecessary, I shouldn't go anywhere, like this. Suppose you are saying to that कि मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, I have some able, you are able to do some work, so that time you can use can. So I can use English, I can speak English, I can write English, I can read English. So please listen to me carefully. Whenever we talk about, whenever you want to start spoken English, you can speak from start today, like little word go, went, gone, go, come here, go there, put here, turn the glass, or switch on the light, switch off the light, switch on the fan. There is lot of time nowadays, in holiday I think every students, there are very free time, cheer time, so don't think about this is cheer time, this is holiday time. Think about how should we do something new and enhance our new skill. So please apply these all types of things, and please try to say in English, and I hope guys you will be definitely speaking English very well and very confidently. Thank you for watching.